that my members and my co-actors are my classmates, I want to be patient for them. And hindi ako muna kahugot with regards to their time. Since nga, I know ang consideration, like example, parehas kami schedule, kabalo kami sa lubraho namon this week. So, why ko kapilit sila kung alang-alang yun sila or hindi. But I know it's a disadvantage on my part. Kaya do ka, okay lang. Kay may tendency nga i-take advantage na nila, pagiging lax ko sa ila. So, with, sa amon na last week, I pursue that I'll play hardball. I'm strict with the acting nila. And before we start, namudamo kami workshop na gina-apply so that, you know, the
concept of our production is a spin-off of the Pinoy Big Brother concept. Only we made it so that it becomes Big Brother Superhero Edition. We made the heroes more real, they are more human, they have issues, they have real life differences, and despite those differences, they are able to work together, accomplish the goal which ultimately Big Brother gives them. The audience will find that gakadaw lang sila sa production, pero ma-realize na sa ulihin, ang ginakadawan lang, ugalingon lang nila siya because they are part of the conflict.